In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in AutoCAD. This process is quite simple, but understanding what hardware acceleration does can help you decide whether to enable or disable it effectively. So let's dive right in. Hardware acceleration is a feature that allows your computer to offload computationally intensive tasks, such as graphics rendering or video decoding, to specialized hardware like a GPU. What this means is that instead of your CPU doing all the heavy lifting, your GPU can take over some of those tasks. This can significantly improve performance, especially if you're working with complex graphics or large files in AutoCAD. Essentially, it can lead to smoother performance and faster rendering times, which is always a plus when you're working on detailed designs. To configure this feature in AutoCAD, you'll want to start by locating the command line in the program. Once you have it in front of you, type in the command 3dconfig and press Enter. This command opens up the Graphics Performance dialog box. Here you will find the setting to toggle hardware acceleration on or off. Now, it's simply a matter of choosing whether you want it enabled or disabled, depending on your needs. There you have it, just as simple as flipping a switch. If you find that your system performs better with hardware acceleration on, then keep it enabled and enjoy a smoother experience. However, if you notice that enabling it causes any issues, or if your system doesn't support GPU rendering efficiently, you might want to switch it off. Disabling it might result in slightly slower performance, but it can also resolve compatibility issues on certain systems or with older graphics cards. One thing to note is that while enabling hardware acceleration can enhance performance, it's also important to ensure that your system's graphics drivers are up to date. This ensures optimal performance and helps mitigate any potential hiccups when running AutoCAD. Regularly updating drivers can make a considerable difference in performance and stability. So go ahead and adjust this setting according to your workflow requirements and personal preference. This feature is incredibly useful, and understanding how to control it gives you more power over the performance of your tasks within AutoCAD. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance that works for your system and your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. Hopefully this guide gives you a clearer understanding of how to manage hardware acceleration in AutoCAD, leading to better system performance and an overall smoother design experience. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your design software. Have a fantastic day crafting those masterpieces.